Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2004 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. Look at the circuit diagram shown. The value of C required for sinusoidal oscillations of frequency 1 kHz. So if you want to generate sinusoidal oscillations of 1 kHz frequency, what is the value of C? That we are going to calculate for the given circuit. Okay. So if you look at this circuit is going to be identified as Wien bridge oscillator. This circuit is treated as Wien bridge oscillator. Wien bridge oscillator will generate sinusoidal oscillations. Okay, sinusoidal oscillations is nothing but single frequency oscillations, and the frequency of oscillations is 1 kHz. And generally this is going to be a positive feedback circuit. The feedback circuit is going to be, this is what feedback network consisting of RC and RNC. So you can think it as R1 and it is C1, and this is R2 and it is C2. But in this case R1 is equal to R2 and C1 is equal to C2. The general frequency of oscillations equation for Wien bridge oscillator is 1 by 2 pi times of 1 by 2 pi times of R1 square root of R1 R2 and multiplied with C1 C2. This is what the equation for the frequency. But since, okay, it was given that one, since R1 is equal to R2 and C1 is equal to C2, you are going to get R1 square C1 square. So we assume that one, R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R and C1 is equal to C2 is equal to C. Then we can write the frequency of oscillations as 1 by 2 pi RC. So here we are interested in f is equal to, the frequency of oscillation generated by the circuit is given as 1 kHz. 1 kHz, and 1 by 2 pi times of R implies nothing but 1 kilo ohm into C is nothing but we are going to calculate. So that is 1 kHz. So C is equal to, if you take C that side, at that time this 1 kilo is going to be coming over here, 1k into 1k, 1k into 1k, that will become 1 mega. If it goes out numerator side, it will become micro. So from this one we can say C is equal to 1 by 2 pi microfarad. So the value of C required to get 1 kHz frequency of oscillations generated by this circuit, though the C is equal to 1 by 2 pi microfarads. The right answer for this question is A. Thank you.